Hi everyone, this is just a little quick update. This has entered my collection and I can't be more than thrilled to own the Wings tour on DVD. This is the 2017 BTS Live Trilogy Episode 3 Japan edition. And I'm super happy to finally have this. I know that there were special editions and I'd like to get one at least sometime in the nearest of futures. So, but anyway, I want to take a look at the inside. This will be my first time watching this concert because I've never seen it, and I'm sure it is like mind-blowing. Okay, so we got the Blu-ray disc right here. I like how that opens. That's really unique. Comes with a little booklet, photo book. So let's take a look at that. I've never seen anybody open this edition before. Beautiful pictures, their costumes look beautiful. Got Yoongi over there on the left, Tae on the left, Namjoon on the right. This must be their solo songs. Hobie and Jin. I love their costumes. They look amazing. I'm super excited. I can't wait to watch this. Oh my goodness, they look amazing. Wow. Is there differences between each of the Blu-rays and DVDs they released? I do know that some come with postcards, photo cards, and when they perform in different arenas across, like from Japan, I think they do different tracks sometimes. So there's like different songs on each different DVD. I mean, most of the songs are the same, but they add like different songs to some of the set lists to the different places, I think. If you know about that, let me know. But yeah, I would love to eventually get the special edition of this concert. I think this one was not at that one with the special edition. I forgot the name of the arena. I was thinking this is something like Saitama Arena, if I'm saying that right. I hope I'm not butchering it. But yeah, this is never seen this one unboxed on YouTube, so I wanted to share that. But yeah, I'd be happy if I could get the special editions. And I do know there's like a Blu-ray version that has the hot air balloon on it. And I think that may be the Korean edition. So yeah, you can correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this was the unboxing of a new item that entered my collection. I want to do like a room tour to show you my BTS collection. So I'll do that soon. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Like the video if you liked it. And subscribe if you haven't. See ya. Hi everyone, it's another BTS unboxing. Let's get to it. Sure nothing else is hiding in here. Nope. All right. I'm excited for this. Yes, oh yes. Okay. Let's see what it says on the package here. Hello, thank you so much for buying from me. I appreciate how understanding you were. Stay safe and healthy, Kaylin. Now that's very sweet. Thank you, Kaylin. And there's a love yourself sticker on here. Okay, I'll take this off. Don't want to destroy the nice little note. Oh, I got goodies in here too. Extra goodies. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. All right, I'm happy about this. This is the Japanese edition of BTS's The Best Of. I have the standard version. This one, it seems to be, I don't know how these were shipped, how they arrived, and how often the box kind of falls in, because if you can look, it kind of doesn't sit on top, it falls inside. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. This had a little bit of damage to it anyway, but I'm just happy to have it in my collection, even though it has some minor damage to it. Let's take a nice close-up look. That is beautiful. And then where it says BTS Best Of, Japanese edition. There's nothing on the sides. And let's see, the spine is right here, which I have it upside down. There you go. And then the back. Oh my goodness. Yes, we have Hobie. We have Jimin. We have Jin. And Taeyang. JK. Yoongi. And RM. Beautiful. Love the back. This is really pretty. I wanted to get the Korean edition of this, but it's like super hard to find, so I'm happy with this. So I'll go ahead and take the plastic off. Not sure why this is falling in, but could be because of shipping caused that, because it looks like when I pulled it out, it sits on top just fine. So it's probably the shipping. Before I get to the inside, I forgot to look at the little goodies here, so I'm getting ahead of myself and just, let's take a look at this. Got some cute little stickers in here. Oh, little birdie, it's so cute. Little paw. Another little paw. Like cat paws. Oh my goodness, yeah, these are cute little stickers. All right, then we got Tay. It looks like a bookmark, but this looks like it can pop out of there. Beautiful photo of Taeyang from advertising the Beat album. Whoa. On the back we have Yoongi. Wow, I love both sides. I'm gonna have to put this in my binder. I got Tay on one side, Yoongi on the other. Yes. And a Yoongi photograph. He looks so very handsome. I love it. It's a Yoongi sticker, I think. Whoa. All right. Yeah, these are going to go in my little scrapbook for sure. Cute little goodies. All right. We'll move on to actually finishing up taking a look at this. I was so excited to get into it. I forgot to look at the little extras. Almost forgot anyway. Okay. Let's take a look inside. This is pretty cool. And then, oh wow, these photos inside are huge. I didn't know how big they were because I've watched unboxings a long time ago. And it's hard to know the size of things unless you get it firsthand. So this must be like track list lyrics. I mean, this is the lyrics. I have it in Japanese. That is cool. Their old logo. The bulletproof vest. Wow, look how, these are so huge. I'm gonna have to raise up my camera so we can get a look at it. And before we take a look at the pictures, this is another little booklet thing here. Wow, okay. Still can't fit it in the frame really, but just to give you a glimpse of what it is. It's the lyrics to the songs. Okay, so that's that. And then inside is the CD and the DVD. Okay, let's take a look at these. These are massive in size. I'm quite surprised. I thought they were going to be smaller postcard sizes. Okay, so first off, we got Jin. I still need to lift this up a little. Try to fit it all in the frame. And I believe these are double-sided. Oh, wow. Very, very beautiful. I'll bring it in. Okay, so there's Jin. We got Tae here. They look beautiful in their pictures. Tae looks so young there. And then we got JK, which is Jungkook. Looks handsome. Has his signature at the bottom. I'll do that on the first side of it. Wow. They could all be supermodels. Oh my gosh, it's Yoongi, it's Suga. Wow, is he handsome. Each of the members are very handsome in these pictures. Wow. I've said in the past, they never do ugly. They are beautiful people. We got Jimin. Wow. Beautiful. There he is on the back. Wow, wow, wow. J-Hope, my sunshine, with red hair. Hobie's signature. Let's turn him around. Wow. Looking good. Our leader, RM. Signature. Wow. Wow, I really love these. I'm gonna have to find a great big plastic sleeve to put these in. I think I have some that are 8x10 size, because this is pretty much what these are like. 8x10, except they're a little bit slimmer in width, but the length of an 8x10 is what these are. Let's get a close-up look at these, and hopefully it isn't blurry. Wow. This is awesome. I'm so excited that I have this in my collection now. This is the back side. This is amazing. All right, well, that does it for my unboxing today of BTS's Japan edition of the Best Of album with CD and DVD. Thanks for tuning in and checking this out. I will see you next time.